Hello guys, I'm making a short video of my car. I'm getting a new car in 2 days, 27 May 2018. This is my old one. I got it on 27 May 2014. It's 4 years old. It's the A180 CDI night package sports model. It's got the LED lights, front fog lights, visor headlights and headlamp wash. 1.6 diesel, alloy wheels, privacy glass in Mercedes white, rear LED lights, reversing camera, parking sensors, twin exhaust. It's done 84,000 miles. It's a diesel tank. It's got folding mirrors. When you open the doors, they fold out. That's the condition of it. With 84,000 miles. I'll show you the mileage in a minute. It's got half leather with fabric cloth. Grey roof lining, ambient lighting. This is a storage pack covered nets. It's a bit dirty, sorry about that. So it's got front fog lights, very hard to find A-class with the front fog lights, which are these ones we've got on. And then I'll show you the mileage. Top up washer fluid, restart the engine, press OK. It's done 84,000 miles and service is due. Overdue by 2,300 miles. No messages. Tire pressure is fine, and so it's got the telephone, Bluetooth audio. There's no sat nav in it. You can buy a plug-in one, and that's the condition. Very clean. Armrest. So this is my car, and I'll show you start up. I'll show you the headlights. It's got automatic headlights. That's the front fog light, that's the rear fog light. Inch alloys. Rear LED lights, rear number plate lights, LEDs. They're all LEDs. That's the back seat of it. Very clean. And I'll show you the indicators and the rear fog light. That's the rear fog light, indicators. The door's open. So that's my car, A180 CDI, done 84,000 miles in 4 years until 27 May 2018. Thank you very much for watching my video, and thank you.